Hello, in this tutorial video, we'll see how you can post Reels onto your Instagram business profile using RecurPost. You can either share a one-off post from here, or you can share a recurring post from the libraries by clicking on the Recurring Post tab. First, let's see how you can share a one-off post. Click on Share a Post. Select the Instagram business profile from the left-hand side and click on Customize. Next, select the Instagram tab and upload a video. Here, select the Reels option. Once you select the Reel option, RecurPost would give you the option to upload a thumbnail image for your Reel. Please note that RecurPost also allows you the option to share this particular video to Reel as well as to your feed. In order to share a video simultaneously onto your feed as well as to your Reel, turn on the toggle besides Share on Feed too. But for our case, let's leave this toggle off, which means that this particular video will get posted only to your Reel. Next, you may choose to schedule this particular post for later by turning on the toggle, or you may post this particular content now by clicking on Post Now button. Next, let's see how we can add a recurring post to your libraries to post content onto your Instagram business profile as Reel. In the Recurring Post tab, choose the library that you wish to work with. Click on Add Post. Click on Customize. Choose the Instagram tab and upload the video. Select the Reels option. As we saw in one-off post case, similarly, you would have the option to upload a thumbnail image for your video. You may choose to post this particular video simultaneously onto your Reel as well as to your feed by turning on the toggle Share on Feed too. But for our case, let's leave this toggle off, which means to share this particular video only to your Reel. Next, click on Add to Library. As you can see that this particular post has been successfully added to your library. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. In case if you have any questions, do reach out to us on support@recurpost.com. Thank you.